Hello fellow traders, this is the fourth part of our video series on how to trade the basics. We have analyzed several important aspects of your trading strategy, and in this part we will check for some more. There will be many videos upcoming, so stay tuned. Now we will check our profitability. What is our profitability? What is the percentage of our winning trades? This means our strategy, how capable it is at detecting winning trades. Mine is around 38%. I have won 6 out of 16 trades. So you might wonder, how is that even possible, since you are just guessing or you are predicting correct only 1 out of 3 times? How this can be possible? How come your system is profitable? Well, the explanation is very simple. And the first question that comes in our mind is how bad or good this number can be. Is it small? Is it 38% small? What is the accuracy of the system and how this number should be? I am correct only the 1/3 of the times. So how is it possible to be a winning strategy? Well, the explanation is really simple. So what is the proper percentage? Should I be 50% accurate, 60%, 70%, 90%? You will see automated systems with extreme accuracy as they are tested without any spreads, and this is not something normal and not something that you should take into consideration. There is also algorithmic trading that we will discuss in future videos. They are taking advantage of the speed that they are take and receive the information, so they are able to execute thousands of trades in a fraction of seconds. So this is not something that we will analyze, even though we will check in the future video. So my system is only at 38% winning. So it is good. Should I continue that way? Well, how come is it profitable? Well, let's go into some further explanations. Well, I do not prefer to be correct most of the times. I prefer to be profitable. And what I mean by that, the first concept you need to discard in your mind is the concept and the value of money in Forex and general in trading. I do not care about money. Money is just a concept, is just an idea. It has no value, and I will give many examples also in later videos. Of course, there are limitations. I mean, we do not have an unlimited amount. We do not have unlimited amount of money in an account. I mean, this would be blessed. I mean, we would always be profitable. No, there are limitations. Risk, do not risk. Gain, do not gain. But the rule is to risk and make affordable risks. Make risks that you are willing to lose. Risk money that you are willing to lose. So, since money has no meaning, it doesn't matter if you are trading 100, 1000 or 1 million. If you do not have the proper system, you will lose 100, you will lose 1000, you will lose 1 million. So, in this part, we need to measure how many pips. Pips is the most important number, the most important figure that you care about. My system is able to generate 1035 pips. So this is the ultimate number that you are chasing. How many pips does your system able to generate? So it doesn't matter if you are winning or losing, but in the end, this is the most important part, the most important figure that you need to check. How many pips? How many pips your system is able to generate? So if you are risking 10% per pip, if you are risking €1 per pip, if you are risking 10, this will be multiplied to your account. And this is the reason that I'm saying it doesn't matter the amount of money that you are risking. So my system is able to generate 209 pips per trade, this is the average, and lose 22 per trade. So what does this mean? That for every one trade that I'm losing, I'm gaining 10. And think the concept, think the idea that, like, if I'm 10% in my profitability ratio, then I will be break even, because for every trade that I will lose, I'm gaining back 10. So multiplying that by this number can sky high your account. If you can combine both, I mean average win, average loss, and profitability, then your account will be sky high. The less you are losing, the more you need to win. You need to cut your losses early and leave your earnings. Of course, this will come with experience. It cannot happen in a day, or in a year, or maybe in 5 years. This is up to you, and of course, maybe you are not something that you are willing to lose time if you are not like to trading, or if you think that this is not for you. So my average win in comparing to my average loss, and all these two combined with my profitability. Of course, you need to pay attention at this point, because while we are talking about risk reward ratio, and this is the number one factor and the most important ratio in every system, I will analyze that in a separate video because it's really important, and we will see in the future. And you need to take into your analysis the real important factors that will keep you in the game. I had also some losing months. I wasn't winning all the time, but my average on pip is 1000. So if I risk $1 per pip, I have 1000 in my account. If I risk 10, I would have 10,000. And that's why I told you that the definition, the meaning of money and the value is no important. Pay attention, don't go to the other side. I mean, do not take a trade only because there is a huge risk reward ratio, because then it's like playing a roulette, and your system now has turned into a roulette system. Now you have turned into a gambler. You just risk 1 to take 30. So it's exactly the same. And this is the very important aspect while you are checking your risk reward ratio. You need to take in consideration every single part: profitability, the pips, the average win, and the average losses. And also you need many executed trades. So this will keep you in the game. Trade safe. I hope you enjoy the video, and stay tuned because other videos will follow.